Hi, PIN people. This is Kevin Cope. I'm really looking forward to coming to your PIN meeting this month. So, have you got to the point in your property business where the landlord letters are maybe not working as well as they used to? Maybe estate agents are not delivering the goods like they used to. So, is it time now to take a step up and then start investing in technology? Is it time to build that website? And then you've thought about all the funnels and social media and the CRMs and all the other gobbledygook that you need to put all that together. Does that sort of frighten you or fill you with dread? So I'm going to show you how that needn't be the case, how you can understand how to get the best out of Facebook ads and our Google ads. It's going to be a whistle stop tour all in 45 minutes, but hopefully it'll give you some insight into what you need to do to take your marketing to the next level, and also some nuggets of how you can make it really easy for yourself and not be put off and not to have to become a guru in the technology field that can be quite a minefield for some of us. So look forward to seeing you, and hope you get a lot out of my talk. Take care.